and welcome to BoardgameNinja. This is your quick guide to Neopia Quest, a fast reasoning game you can learn in just 3 minutes, so you can jump straight into the action. Let's dive in. Neopia Quest is a cooperative game in which you take your Neopet and loyal Petpet on a journey across the lands of Neopia to solve a variety of challenges. Choose one of the quests and follow its setup. On the left is the time track, showing how much time you have to complete the quest. Solving a quest often revolves around dice, which in this game represent assets that must be picked up and delivered. You win by flipping over the final quest card to its completed side. At the start of the round, the first player moves the time token 1 space down, except on the first turn of the game. When it reaches 10 p.m., it is time to go to bed and the game ends. With 3 or 4 players, each player gains 4 action points, and with 2 players, 5 action points. On your turn, you spend action points to travel around the board, pick up dice, re-roll them, alter their values, or place them on a quest card that meets the requirements. You can also buy items from the market to help you move more efficiently, collect dice, or manipulate them. When you use an item, it is discarded. Each Neopet and their Petpet has a unique ability that can be used on their turn. The card shows how many action points it costs to use that ability. When you complete part of a quest, all dice used are re-rolled and randomly placed on locations that do not already contain a die or the fast travel token. The fast travel token allows you to move from its location to any space on the board for just 1 action point. You must end your turn when you run out of action points, but you can also choose to end your turn early and save some for later. You can store up to 6 action points for your next turn, as well as a maximum of 6 item cards and 4 dice. At the end of your turn, refill the market so there are 4 cards available again, and then the next player takes their turn. Each time the first player takes their turn, the time token moves 1 space down. Continue playing until you have fulfilled all the requirements of the quest, or fail if night falls before you can complete it. The random setup ensures that every game feels different. There are many quests in the box, ranging from easy to difficult and from short to long, making it suited for a cozy adventure filled with iconic locations and nostalgia. It is designed for families with kids aged 10 and up, though we think children as young as 7 will have a great time with a little guidance. Now you're ready to start playing. Subscribe so you can find us again next time. Good luck and game on!